In this video, I want to talk about how you can go back to the guide on YouTube TV. I'll show you how you can do it on your phone, on your PC, or on your TV. Now for the TV, what you want to do is you want to press on the back button on your remote. It should be like either it's called back or an arrow or something. And this should get you back to the main menu. And then what you want to do is look for the live section. Live section is where the guide is, and you should be able to see everything. Now on your phone, you just want to go to the live tab at the bottom of the screen, and you should be able to see it. On your PC, head over to tv.youtube.com, click on the live tab, and then you should be at the guide. So these are the 3 ways that you can do it, and it's for your TV, phone, or your computer. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.